Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you my recent purchase from Saint Laurent YSL. So here is the one. This is actually I can consider as a handbag. Sorry about my voice, I'm still a little bit sick. In today's video, really wanted to show you how you can convert it to as a handbag, and also want to show you what fits. The most important, I want to share with you where you can get the best price for this piece. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let me just quickly to show you what did I got it. So it's right here. So this is the one I got it. This one they call as YSL monogram wristlet. As you can see, it has the strap attached it. Of course you can take off the strap. This time Saint Laurent YSL had a price increase, and I believe this one was not included. When I checked the website, they still show 745. I hope I'm correct. The one I got is from Farfetch. I paid $616 plus tax. After I got this one, then I found out the other website even cheaper. You can get under $600 for this piece. So I will link the website in my description box. You can check it out. So in this video, I will share with you the two ways that you can convert it to handbag, and also I want to talk about the pros and cons for this one, the capacity as well. So yeah, let's start with that. I purchased this one a month ago. The reason I didn't do because I was waiting for the insert that I ordered from Amazon. So this is the insert I purchased from Amazon. I was waiting for this for 2 weeks. This chain is come with this insert. Inside is a fabric, and the back has a back pocket, and here doesn't have a pocket. So it's a very simple like a clutch, and plus it has the strap. I feel it's very easy and comfortable and very convenient to use. If you add this insert, I also will link in my description box from Amazon, and then you add the strap, you can convert this one to a handbag. But I use this one. So this one is come from my other bag, which come from the Teddy Blake. Got the strap from this bag. Obviously it's a totally different color, you can see, but I like to use this strap. I feel so much comfortable. I will insert some model shots for you. You can take a look at how I wear this one. But the other way is you can use a chain, but keep in mind I want to talk about that. I don't see anyone talk about this one, so that's the reason I want to do this video. This type of the insert, you better to use the chain with T clasp. Of course you can use any other chain. I'm gonna show you which one I'm talking about. This is the one that I have it. This is from Gucci, super mini Gucci, which you can see it is like a T. You see, this is the T clasp instead of this type of the regular clasp. It will feel so much better than the regular one. So like this type of the chain is so much better, and it don't really like stick out because it's the T clasp, so it's a very flat. I also will show you if you use a regular chain what it looks like, why I don't like use a regular chain. So next thing I will show you talking about. So this is the part that I don't like it, it's like stick out. So that's the reason I prefer it's a T shape of the clasp. I think it will be better. What do you guys think? So I don't see anyone talk about it, but I think that this is the best choice to do it. Next, if you don't have the bag insert, you can directly use it as this way. Use this strap, turn to here and close. Flip like that. You use this kind of D-ring and attach with this one. Use a leather strap. Now as you can see, the color difference is not very obviously, so that's why I like to use this one. instead of the chain. So this is the other way I use. Okay, so the next thing I will show you the capacity of this wristlet. So here, let me show you the capacity of this bag. And right now I put everything into my wristlet, and as you can see, this is everything. So I have my car key and the key clip. I have a cell phone 13, and I have the O case, which inside I have some credit card. I just pretend this is a credit card, and some paper and the dollar bills, you know, I put it there. So I have the house key. So basically this is all I needed for grab and go. So this is everything for this clutch can fit. And now let me put the bag insert, see if it affected the capacity. Okay, so it's this, and the pointers and the car key. Lastly is the cell phone. I still can put this is the thing you're able to carry for this one. Of course, if you want to put the lipstick or something, you still can put it. It still have room. I just don't want to overload it. So that's why I keep saying it, because you overload it, you cannot close. And plus this button, it's the core of this wristlet. So I will talk about it later. So the last part, let me just talk about the pros and the cons. First of all, this is a very good price tag, and you guys know the YSL, you always can find the good price from other website instead of from their official website. And also this one you can convert it to the handbag, which I think for this price you can get a handbag. It's really good deal. And the capacity is good enough for essentials, which is a cell phone, house key, and the car holder. Those things, it's fit enough. And it is a wristlet. It's kind of convenient, make your hand free like this. So it's still considered a very convenient, comfortable piece to use. So now let's talk about the con of this wristlet. First of all, the con of that is this closure. Now YSL actually have a very strong magnetic closure, but for some reason this one they probably want to save the cost. They use, you know, people use it for the clothes, they use it as a handbag. So it's not very strong and not easy to close. Like you need to struggle a little bit to find the place to close. I think this is the biggest con, because it's not strong enough. I feel like if you overstuff this one, this button will pop up. So this you need to keep in mind. This also I want to tell you guys, this one, the other con is you cannot overload this piece. You only can carry some essential pieces, cell phone, car holder, and the house key. That's all you can do it. And the other thing is, if you overloaded the side, it turns very ugly as well. I will never recommend it to overload this. This is really for grab and go wristlet, and for you go to the park, go to the grocery store to pick up something. You don't need to carry every single item. Other than that, I think it is a really nice piece to add it to your collection. Consider the price tag. You can only buy a wallet, but actually you can buy a wallet on the chain piece. I think this is a very good deal for this piece, and highly recommend it if you like it. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.